There are things that you can do without completely redoing a space, but just to make it feel a lot more fresh and like it's functioning better for you. And welcome to Motivational Monday. So one of the spaces that I wanted to focus on was inside of our master bathroom. Something that we left behind at the old house that we had was that Jorge completely redid the bathroom in there, and it felt like a spa. And we had this what do you call it? It's the Simple Human soap, hair, shampoo, conditioner, dispenser. And it was something that I loved having in there because it made it to where everything else felt a lot less cluttered, like where you would put all of your shampoos and conditioners and soaps and whatnot. So this is something where we're not in the position to redo our bathroom right now. It's something that makes it feel a little bit more luxurious in here, and it also makes it feel like we're getting a lot better use out of the space, and we don't have a bunch of stuff all over in the corners of our bathtub, because that is something that it's just not visually appealing when you see. I do have a couple of things left in here just because there were only 3 compartments, and while I could have gotten more, I just decided to just stick with this one and be happy with that. So I would love to do this to our girls' bathroom as well as the guest bathroom downstairs, because I think that it is a very efficient way to dispense those products. And it's, especially having children, I think it's a good idea. But what I love about it even more than that is being able to go to each bathroom and see how much is left of a product. So for me, I like to look in there and see if I'm getting low on shampoo. I mean, you can feel it, but when it's inside of a container, but when you actually see it, that also kind of helps you remember that you need to fill up, or you need to go and get some more. So I'm going to share with you this little weekend project that Jorge did. It took less than an hour for him to install it, and it's something that I love having here now, and I had at my old house, which is something that I missed at the old house. So just doing those little things, that it's not a complete overhaul of a room, but the little things kind of just make it feel better to you. So here is what it looks like. So this is the finished product now that it's all installed, and I want to share with you right here, on the caps it says shampoo, and then right here it says conditioner, and then right there it says soap. So what I just did here was I put my shampoo and conditioner in here, and then Jorge's, this is like body soap and shampoo for men. And then down here I just have what I use for soap. This helped to eliminate a lot of clutter that was in the corners. To be able to fill it, you would just pop the top off. And the top is where it says what is inside of it. So say you pour something into the wrong container on accident, then you could just switch the tops around. So I think that this is great for kids as well. You let them know that all you want them to do is just get one little pull out of it. And then that's as much as they need to wash their hair or wash their body. And I got this from the Container Store. They also sell these in singles as well as doubles. So instead of having a triple dispenser, there is a single one, and there is also a double one. So thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I hope that you take care, and we will talk soon. Bye.